Hello, my beautiful friends. Welcome back to my channel, where we explore the beauty of English, the power of motivation, and the energy of words. Today's video is not just about vocabulary. It's about life. You see, words are not only letters and sounds, they are energy. The words you think, the words you speak, and the words you believe in all shape your destiny. When I was younger, I used to feel lost. I didn't have money, success, or confidence. But something small started changing my life: my words. The way I spoke to myself, the way I described my future, the way I used positive words, it started building a new version of me. So today, I want to share 12 of my favorite English words that carry the power to inspire, heal, and transform your life. Each of these words has a story, a lesson, and a reason behind it. Let's begin. Word 1. Hope. Hope, such a simple, tiny word. But sometimes it's the only thing we have left. When life gets dark, hope is that little light that refuses to die. There was a time I failed multiple times, in studies, in relationships, even in my dreams. Everyone around me said, "You can't make it." But one small voice inside whispered, "Try one more time." That voice was hope. Hope is not about ignoring pain. It's about believing that pain will not last forever. When you have hope, you are already halfway to victory. Quote, "Hope is the heartbeat of the soul." Word 2. Faith. Faith means believing in what you can't see yet. When you have faith, you stop asking how and start believing somehow. There was a time when I wanted to quit everything, but my heart said, "Keep going. You're closer than you think." That was faith speaking. Faith doesn't remove fear. It gives you strength to move through fear. It teaches you to trust God, trust the universe, and trust yourself. When everything feels uncertain, remember this: faith is not about knowing the future. It's about trusting the process. Quote, "Faith is taking the first step even when you don't see the whole staircase." Word 3. Courage. Courage isn't loud. It's silent, steady, and strong. It's what makes you stand when everyone else sits down. When I first started creating content, I was scared. Scared of judgment, hate, and failure. But courage whispered, "Do it anyway." Courage is not the absence of fear. It's the decision that something else is more important than fear. Every time you take one brave step, your fear becomes smaller and your dreams become closer. Quote, "Without courage, dreams die before they even begin." Word 4. Gratitude. Gratitude changed my life more than any other word. When I stopped complaining and started saying thank you, I began to see miracles. Gratitude is like sunshine. It turns dark moments into bright lessons. Even when you have little, gratitude makes you feel rich. I remember one morning when I had no money, no job, and no clear future. But I looked around. I had a roof, food, and family. And I whispered, "Thank you." That small moment of gratitude gave me peace and strength to keep working hard. Quote, gratitude turns what we have into enough. Word 5. Kindness. Kindness is a language the deaf can hear and the blind can see. It costs nothing but means everything. Once I met a man selling flowers on the street. I bought one, smiled, and wished him a good day. He smiled back and said, "You just made my day better." That's the magic of kindness. It spreads. A kind word can heal, a kind action can change a life. Quote, in a world where you can be anything, be kind. Word 6. Patience. Patience is not just waiting, it's how you wait. We all want fast results, quick money, instant success. But real growth takes time. There was a time when I worked day and night but saw no results. I felt like giving up. But patience told me, keep watering your dreams. And one day, the results came. Not suddenly, but surely. Quote, good things take time, and patience is the bridge that connects effort to success. Word 7. Respect. Respect means treating others the way you want to be treated. It's not about agreeing with everyone. It's about valuing them. Respect your parents. Respect time. Respect people's feelings. And most importantly, respect yourself. When you do, life gives that respect back to you multiplied. Quote, respect is one of the greatest expressions of love. Word 8. Discipline. Discipline is the secret ingredient behind every success story. Motivation may get you started, but discipline keeps you going. When I started my English journey, I practiced every single day, even when I didn't feel like it. That's discipline. Discipline means doing small things every day, reading, learning, working, until they build your future. Quote, discipline is doing what needs to be done even when you don't feel like doing it. Word 9. Humility. Humility is strength under control. It's knowing your worth but not needing to show it. When you're humble, you listen more, learn more, and grow more. People respect humility because it's rare. You don't need to shout your greatness. Your actions will speak for you. Quote, stay humble, work hard, and let success make the noise. Word 10. Focus. Focus is your superpower. In a world full of distractions, those who focus win. If you chase 2 rabbits, you catch none. Focus on one goal, one dream, one mission, and give it everything you have. I learned that multitasking looks busy but kills productivity. But focus turns average effort into excellence. Quote, starve your distractions, feed your focus. Word 11. Perseverance. Perseverance is what separates winners from quitters. It's that fire inside you that says, I'll try one more time. Every successful person has faced rejection, failure, and pain, but they didn't stop. They tried again, and again, and again. When you fall, don't think it's the end. It's just part of the climb. Keep pushing, keep believing, keep fighting. Quote, fall 7 times, stand up 8. And finally, love. The most powerful word in the English language. Love gives meaning to everything. Love yourself enough to grow. Love others enough to forgive. Love your dreams enough to fight for them. Without love, life becomes mechanical. With love, even ordinary moments become beautiful. Quote, "Do everything with love and you'll never do it wrong." So, my friends, these are the 12 words that changed my life. Hope, faith, courage, gratitude, kindness, patience, respect, discipline, humility, focus, perseverance, and love. Each of these words holds a key to peace, success, and happiness. Use them not just in your speech, but in your heart. Let your words reflect who you are